Hello students, in this class we are going to study about the array concept in JavaScript. In the previous class we discussed about the object concept in JavaScript. So once again recall it, object is what? Object is nothing but it used to store the data and it can be declared by using a curly braces symbol. Inside the curly braces symbol, the values were inputted by in the structure like key pair value. Okay, okay. We start to learn about the array concept. So first of all, what is array? Array is nothing but it is a data structure that allows you to store and manipulate a collection of values in it. Let me show some example syntax by declare the array. So this is the basic syntax to define the array. Let my array is equal to square bracket element 1, element 2, element n. So basically, the arrays are using to declared in the square brackets. So, and it holds the various data types. So, let me explain this syntax. In this, let is the keyword that used to declare the variable, and in this, my array is my name of the array variable, and is equal to square bracket. The square bracket is used to declare the array. Then inside the square bracket, element 1, element 2, element n, lots of elements are in this. That means this each of the element can be at any data types. What is data type? Data types are boolean, numbers, function, object, etc. So I provide some example for using this array method. So here I open my script.js file. Now we start to write a simple program by using the array concept. So let is the keyword to declare the variable, and now I assign the value for the variable. Let number is equal to, then what is the syntax? Use the square bracket to declare the array. So I open my square bracket. Inside the square bracket, the value should be any of the data types. So here I enter the one, one, two, three. So I console log it, save, open my terminal to run this program. So here the values inside that array will store. So now I want to add another variable. So let mm, fruits is equal to, open the square bracket. So now I insert the string format. So apple, orange, etc. And I also need to include the boolean concept also. So okay, for instead of the boolean we use the mixed array concept. That means in this I also declare the int concept, then I include a string, and I include a boolean concept that is true, and I also a key value. So first of all I console log with fruits, then console log mixed array. So here I console log only fruits and mixed arrays. So the entered values of fruits in the array will shown and the mixed arrays values are shown in that. So this mixed array concept um, will give a good explanation for using all the data types are used to declare in the array concept. So this array is in JavaScript is more flexible and dynamic, meaning you can add or remove the elements and change their values during the runtime. So here I change the values orange into grapes. So now I run this. Here the orange was changed into grapes. So that okay. What is the uses of this array in JavaScript? First of all, storing multiple values. That means the arrays allows you to store the multiple values in a single variable, and it make it more convenient to manage and access the related data. So the previous example is one of the example for storing the multiple values in a single variable. That is the mixed array concept. So then managing collection. Managing collection is nothing but it is these arrays are useful for managing the collection of objects or data. Let me show an example for this managing collection. Let I name that as users is equal to. So now I open an array. Inside that array, I will write a multiple objects in it. So open the array. Inside that, I create a object curly braces. So now I start to write name key, my key as name, then their value as Alice. And I also want to enter the age at 21. And I also want to add another object name Mary, age 25. So now I console log it. Use So here you can see that name Alice age 21 and name Mary age 21. So in this inside that array you can create a multiple objects to in that. So this is used to manage the collection. There are various kinds of arrays are used in JavaScript. So this is our basic class. So this basic types of arrays only enough for our students. In our next class we are seeing the function concept. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!